Is diabetes making you depressed? Hi everyone. Are you feeling low or sad? Do you feel like you don't have the energy to do normal daily tasks? Are you having sleepless, insomniatic nights? If you're diabetic, then there's a good chance that this is because of depression. In this video, we'll talk about the relationship of diabetes with other health impacts that it might be having on your health that you aren't even aware about, like depression. Depression is a very common disease, which negatively impacts the quality of life, productivity, and just general well-being. In clinical terms, it's defined as diminished, irritable mood, decreased interest and pleasure, feelings of guilt or worthlessness, inability to focus, suicidal thoughts, thoughts about death, and just chronic insomnia. Research shows that someone who has diabetes is 2 to 3 times as likely to develop depression as opposed to someone who does not have diabetes. This goes the other way too. If someone has depression and you're in your 40s or 50s, then it increases your chance of getting diabetes by up to 60%. This relationship between diabetes and depression is most likely due to chronic stress. Scientists and doctors hypothesize that chronic stress, which affects many of us, increases the production of 2 chemicals in our brain, adrenaline and noradrenaline. Prolonged exposure to these 2 chemicals decreases the ability of your body to use insulin and also damages our body in terms of controlling our fears and anxieties. Simply put, diabetes does not cause depression. But the stress that causes diabetes can also cause depression. Much of our chronic stress can come from financial problems. And in some ways, in many ways, diabetes can exacerbate financial problems with the amount of money that we spend on treatment and medicines. But for that, SciaCare is here to help relieve you. SciaCare provides only double-tested medicine, which has been quality assured by a third-party laboratory, and all the lab reports are publicly available for anyone who wants to see them. So you can trust this medicine. And this medicine has been sourced directly from the manufacturer. So it's up to 90% cheaper than what you find in your local market. We home deliver you this medicine through the SciaCare app.